Dear Chloe, I never thought yung simpleng bagay para sa akin aabot sa napakalaking problema na kinakaharap ko ngayon. My husband caught me texting another man. And yes, medyo flirty yung convo namin. This man is a former batchmate. And this year, nagkaroon kami ng communication dahil nagpaplano ang batch namin ng reunion this December. Hindi ko alam paano niya nalaman but I think pinakialaman niya ang cellphone ko. I know kasalanan ko, but my husband now gusto nang maghiwalay kami. Isn't he being exaggerated and taking things too far? I admit mali ako. Ayoko maghiwalay kami at sising-sisi ako. So please tell me what to do. Anonymous wife. Anonymous wife, you know what? I wouldn't know what to do but be on my knees begging for forgiveness if I really don't want to lose my husband. But that's me, okay? But you, I just have one question for you. Do you really love him? Do you really love your husband? Kasi it seems to me wala kang planong tumigil sa ginagawa mo. You don't plan on stopping. Nahuli ka lang. Chances are, you will eventually meet up with him, given a chance, and who knows what might happen next. Yun naman ay kuro-kuro ko lang Pero the fact na kung hindi ka nahuli, wala ka talagang planong tumigil, you'll never know Kung ikaw lang ang nakakaalam sa sarili mo kung ano ang mga plano mo. Ano ba to? Para sa ego mo? Naghahanap ka ba ng atensyon? Naghahanap ka ba ng affirmation from other men? So, you've been careless with his heart. Obvious naman yan. And I'm sure that you'll also feel awful if siya naman ang gumawa nito sa'yo. Sabi nga nila, time heals all wounds. Kung paano mo gagamutin, ikaw lang makakagawa niyan at nakakaalam kung paano. But, well, why remain married? Diba? Because you know what? Your husband deserves someone who wouldn't do this to him. Because obviously, questionable sa akin talaga kung mahal mo ba talaga ang asawa mo. O baka mas alam mo na ngayon kung gaano mo siya kamahal dahil maaring mawala na siya sa'yo. He's threatening. He's not threatening. Maybe yun talaga yung gusto niya. Baka naman, what do you call this? Galit lang siya ngayon. So, may threat na maaring maghiwalay kayo. And if you have kids, this is going to be not just a circus, but it's going to be catastrophic para sa mga anak ninyo. Now, if you want him back, take accountability for how you hurt him and vow to never be so selfish again. Vow to never be so selfish, cruel, and insensitive again. Kuminsan kasi may mga times na, di lang naman sa babae nangyayari to, pareha sa husband, sa wife. Minsan siguro, akala mo simpleng hi, hello, chat lang. Sa'yo, walang mali siya, pero baka sa partner mo, iba ang dating. So, mas maganda siguro iwasan na lang para walang gulo, diba? Ito nga, you probably took things a bit far. So, hindi ko rin naman masisisi ang husband mo if he seems to be exaggerated for you and he wants to, part ways with you, makipaghiwalay na sa'yo. Maybe, maganda rin siguro, bigyan mo rin muna siya ng time para makapag-isip, give him some space, and for you as well, para malaman mo rin kung ano talaga ang gusto mo sa buhay mo because you will not be doing this. You will not be exchanging flirty messages with someone, with a batchmate, knowing you're married kung ikaw ay walang issue. Hindi lang sa pagsasama nyo, kundi sa sarili mo. Maaring wala kang issue, wala kayong issue sa pagsasama nyo, baka ikaw ang may issue. So, well, sabi nga nila, things happen for a reason. Find out whatever that reason is. All right? So, God bless you, anonymous wife. I hope malampasan nyo ito. Whew.
Hey, thanks Thanks for watching!
For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews.
You can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.